Did you know your liver might be crying out for help without showing any clear symptoms? Often the signs are right in front of us, but we overlook them. In this video, we'll explore the silent signals your body might be sending and what you can do to avoid serious problems. Think about it. The liver is a true unsung hero, working tirelessly 24 hours a day, eliminating toxins, regulating hormones, and processing nutrients. But like any hero, it also has its limits. Imagine a worker who never takes a break. What happens? They burn out. The same happens to your liver when it's overburdened. What's even scarier? About 70% of liver diseases are silent until they reach advanced stages. This means your body might be asking for help, and you're simply not hearing it. Today, you'll learn the main warning signs you can't afford to ignore. Before we start, tell us in the comments where you're watching from and subscribe to the channel. You'll be amazed to discover how simple habits can be the key to saving your liver, and maybe even your life. The liver, despite being one of the most resilient organs in the body, starts sending subtle signals when it's overburdened. One of the first signs is extreme fatigue. Many people think they're just stressed or lacking sleep, but the truth is that the liver might be struggling to process accumulated toxins in the body. Another common sign is abdominal bloating, or a feeling of heaviness in the stomach area. This is often mistaken for indigestion or gas, but it could be a warning that the liver is having difficulty performing its functions. Ignoring these signs can be dangerous, as they tend to worsen over time. Skin problems like acne or unexpected spots can also be a cry for help from the liver. When it can't efficiently eliminate toxins, the body looks for other ways to expel them, and the skin becomes a channel of escape. If you've noticed unexplained changes, it might be time to pay attention. Other signs include frequent headaches and persistent bad breath, even with good oral hygiene. This happens because toxin buildup affects metabolism and can cause inflammation in other parts of the body, creating a domino effect. These signs may seem small, but together they indicate something isn't working properly. In the next part, you'll discover patterns and habits that might be harming your liver without you realizing it. Have you ever stopped to think about how small daily habits might be sabotaging your liver's health? One of the biggest culprits is the excessive consumption of processed foods. They're packed with preservatives, artificial colors, and trans fats, which are extremely difficult for the liver to process. The more of these foods we eat, the harder the liver has to work to eliminate them. Another dangerous habit is the indiscriminate use of medications, especially painkillers and anti-inflammatory drugs. Even common over-the-counter drugs can become toxic to the liver when taken frequently or without medical supervision. It's like constantly overloading the organ until it can no longer keep up. And who doesn't love a sweet treat? But excess sugar is also a ticking time bomb for the liver. It can lead to fat buildup in the organ, a condition known as fatty liver disease. This issue, though common, is often overlooked until it reaches more severe stages. We can't forget about alcohol, perhaps the habit most associated with liver problems. Excessive and regular alcohol consumption overloads the liver, which has to metabolize large amounts, causing inflammation and even permanent damage. Finally, sleep deprivation is another silent enemy. Poor or insufficient sleep prevents the body from performing essential regeneration processes, and the liver is directly affected. Did you know that chronic stress can also harm your liver's function? When we're stressed, our body releases a surge of hormones like cortisol. This hormonal imbalance overburdens the liver, which has to work harder to metabolize these substances, compromising its ability to perform other vital tasks. Stress often triggers poor eating habits as well. How many times have you turned to greasy, sugary, or fast food in a stressful moment? These foods may offer temporary relief, but they end up putting even more pressure on the liver. It's like trying to put out a fire with gasoline. Another side effect of stress is insomnia, and as we've seen before, sleep is essential for the body's recovery. When you sleep poorly, the liver cannot efficiently perform detoxification processes. It's a vicious cycle. Stress worsens liver function, and an overburdened liver can intensify stress symptoms. But the impact doesn't stop there. Studies show that people with high stress levels are more likely to develop conditions like non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. This proves that the mind-body connection is stronger than we often realize. In the next part, We'll explore specific signs you can identify in your daily life and practical ways to ease the load on your liver. You'll be surprised to discover how simple adjustments can make a big difference. Have you noticed that your body gives small warnings when something isn't right? In the case of the liver, these signs can appear in ways that are often overlooked. A common example is constant fatigue. Even after a good night's sleep, you may feel drained, as if something in your body is stuck. Changes in the skin are another important clue. The appearance of spots, itching, or even a yellowish tone in the skin could indicate that the liver is overloaded. These symptoms happen because the organ struggles to filter toxins, which then reflect on the skin. Another sign that many people ignore is changes in the digestive system. Issues like nausea, loss of appetite, or discomfort in the abdominal area could be your liver's way of asking for help. These symptoms often show up after heavy or fatty meals. Have you checked your nails or eyes lately? Brittle nails and yellowed eyes might indicate a buildup of bilirubin in the blood, a classic sign of liver trouble. These more visible signals are a warning to seek medical attention before the condition worsens. Pay close attention to these small details in your body. In the next part, we'll discuss foods that can help protect and strengthen the liver, ensuring it continues to function as the body's ultimate filter. Did you know that some foods have incredible properties to help the liver regenerate and function better? One of the champions is garlic. Rich in sulfur compounds, it activates liver enzymes that help eliminate toxins and contains selenium, an essential mineral that protects the liver from damage. Another great ally is avocado, a natural source of powerful antioxidants. It helps reduce inflammation and boosts the production of glutathione, a substance essential for liver detoxification. Just one serving a week can make a difference. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli and cauliflower also deserve attention. They increase levels of detoxifying enzymes and help the liver process hormones and toxins more efficiently. Plus, they're excellent for preventing fat buildup in the liver. We can't forget green tea, which is rich in catechins that help reduce fat accumulation and protect liver cells from oxidative damage. Adding a cup of this tea to your daily routine can bring amazing benefits. And of course, water. Staying hydrated is essential for the liver to filter toxins and carry out its metabolic processes. In the next part, we'll explore daily habits you can adopt to further protect your liver and ensure a long, healthy life. Caring for your liver doesn't require drastic changes. Small, consistent habits can make a huge difference. One of the simplest is starting your day with a glass of warm water and lemon. This combination helps stimulate the liver and kickstart the detoxification process, preparing your body for the day ahead. Physical activity is another powerful ally. Even a 30-minute walk can improve blood circulation, help burn fat, and reduce the risk of fatty liver disease. Exercise also supports your liver in processing nutrients and managing energy more effectively. Reducing your intake of refined sugar and processed foods is crucial. Swapping out sugary snacks for fruits or whole grains not only lightens the load on your liver, but also improves your overall health. It's a small change with significant benefits. Incorporating regular rest and stress management techniques, like meditation or deep breathing exercises, can also do wonders for your liver. By lowering cortisol levels, you allow the liver to focus on its vital functions without the added strain of stress. Lastly, make a habit of regular medical checkups. Simple blood tests can detect liver issues early, giving you the chance to address problems before they escalate. These small actions, practiced daily, will keep your liver healthy and your body thriving. Now that you know how your liver might be crying out for help without you realizing it, it's time to take action. Small changes in your habits can make a huge difference. Whether it's adding liver-strengthening foods or eliminating hidden threats, the key is to give your body the care it deserves. Remember, the liver is a silent but essential organ. It works tirelessly to keep your body functioning, and any neglect can lead to serious problems. Don't wait for severe symptoms to start taking care of your health. The time to act is now. The most incredible thing is that with the right adjustments, the liver has an amazing ability to regenerate. This means it's never too late to start reversing damage and building a routine that protects this vital organ. Don't forget, this is just the first episode of a series that will transform your perspective on health and well-being. In the upcoming videos, you'll learn even more about how to care for your body and prevent silent diseases. If you're curious to find out what else might be affecting your body without you noticing, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. There's plenty of valuable knowledge coming your way, and your health will thank you for it.